Welcome to my channel Moto Vision Hub. The 2026 Honda Goldwing Trike with 4 wheels represents the ultimate expression of luxury touring, designed for riders who want the freedom of the open road combined with unmatched stability, comfort, and advanced technology. From the first look, this machine feels special. Its wide and confident stance, smooth flowing bodywork, and iconic Goldwing silhouette immediately communicate that this is not an ordinary motorcycle. Honda has transformed a legendary touring platform into a 4-wheel trike that feels refined, powerful, and incredibly reassuring to ride. At the heart of the 2026 Goldwing Trike is Honda's famous 1833cc flat-six engine, an engineering masterpiece known for its smoothness and long-distance reliability. In this latest version, the engine delivers power in a calm and effortless way, perfectly suited for relaxed touring. Acceleration is strong but never aggressive, allowing the trike to glide forward with confidence whether cruising through the city or overtaking on the highway. The low center of gravity of the flat-six engine plays a major role in the trike's balanced and stable feel, especially when fully loaded with a passenger and luggage. The most defining feature of this model is its 4-wheel configuration, which completely changes the riding experience. With added contact points on the road, stability is dramatically increased, especially at low speeds and during stops. Riders no longer need to worry about balancing a heavy touring machine, making the Goldwing Trike ideal for long rides, urban traffic, and riders who prioritize comfort and confidence. On open highways, the trike feels solid and planted, maintaining composure even in crosswinds or on uneven surfaces. Honda has carefully tuned the suspension to match the unique characteristics of the 4-wheel setup. The front suspension absorbs road imperfections smoothly, while the rear suspension provides excellent stability and support. Whether riding on smooth highways or rough city roads, the trike remains composed and comfortable. Long-distance journeys become less tiring, as the suspension works quietly in the background to reduce vibrations and road shock. Comfort is where the 2026 Goldwing Trike truly shines. The seating is wide, plush, and designed for all-day riding. The rider's position is upright and relaxed, reducing strain on the back, shoulders, and wrists. Heated seats and grips ensure comfort in colder conditions, while the electrically adjustable windscreen allows riders to control airflow and wind protection with ease. The passenger seat is equally luxurious, offering generous space, a supportive backrest, and comfortable armrests, making it perfect for two-up touring. Technology plays a major role in defining the modern Goldwing experience. A large, high-resolution TFT display sits at the center of the cockpit, providing clear access to navigation, ride information, and entertainment features. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration allow seamless smartphone connectivity, making navigation, music, and communication simple and intuitive. Voice command functionality helps reduce distractions, allowing riders to stay focused on the road. The premium audio system delivers rich and clear sound, even at highway speeds, turning long rides into immersive travel experiences. Safety and rider assistance systems are another strong point of the 2026 Goldwing Trike. Advanced braking systems provide powerful and controlled stopping performance, while traction control helps maintain grip in challenging conditions such as rain or loose surfaces. Multiple riding modes allow riders to customize throttle response and handling characteristics to suit different environments and personal preferences. Reverse assist is an especially practical feature, making parking and low-speed maneuvering easy despite the trike's size and weight. Visually, the 2026 Honda Goldwing Trike is a statement of modern luxury. The wide body, sharp LED lighting, and carefully sculpted panels give it a commanding presence on the road. Chrome accents and premium paint finishes enhance its upscale appearance, while the white color option adds an extra layer of elegance and sophistication. Every detail reflects Honda's commitment to high build quality and attention to detail. Practicality has not been overlooked. The Goldwing Trike offers generous storage capacity, with large compartments that can easily accommodate helmets, riding gear, and travel essentials. This makes it ideal for extended tour, where convenience and organization matter just as much as comfort. Fuel efficiency has also been optimized, allowing riders to cover long distances without frequent fuel stops. In real-world riding, the 2026 Goldwing Trike feels calm, confident, and incredibly refined. It encourages riders to slow down and enjoy the journey rather than rush to the destination. The combination of smooth power delivery, exceptional comfort, and advanced technology creates an experience that feels effortless and premium at all times. In conclusion, the 2026 Honda Goldwing Trike with 4 wheels is more than just a touring machine. It is a complete luxury travel companion. It is built for riders who value stability, comfort, technology, and elegance above all else. Whether cruising through city streets, exploring scenic highways, or embarking on cross-country adventures, this trike delivers a smooth, confident, and deeply satisfying ride. Honda has once again set a benchmark in the world of luxury touring, proving that the Goldwing legacy continues to evolve while staying true to its legendary roots.